Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most talked about dog dental products on the market. The best Enzymatic Mint 2.5 ounces dog toothpaste. But wait, we're actually talking about its bigger and even better sibling. The Arm & Hammer Complete Care Enzymatic Dog Toothpaste, 6.2 ounces. This is the value-sized version that's making waves among pet parents who want more freshness, more care, and more smiles from their furry friends. Let's get started with what makes this toothpaste a standout. Arm & Hammer is a name that's practically synonymous with baking soda freshness, and they've brought that same trusted innovation to canine dental care. Their Complete Care Enzymatic Toothpaste is designed for both puppies and adult dogs and aims to do three essential things: eliminate bad breath, fight tartar buildup, and keep your dog's teeth clean and healthy. It's enhanced with Arm & Hammer's signature baking soda, a powerful ingredient known for its natural deodorizing abilities. That means it doesn't just mask odors, it actually neutralizes them, tackling doggy breath at its source. If you've ever gotten a close-up slobbery kiss from your dog and regretted it immediately, this toothpaste is for you. The second big feature is the enzymatic formula. Enzymatic toothpaste contains natural enzymes that help break down plaque and food particles, making it much easier to brush away stubborn buildup. That means fewer dental cleanings at the vet, and more long-term health for your pup's mouth. Now let's talk flavor. This toothpaste is chicken-flavored, which might sound strange to us humans, but it's a huge hit with dogs. The idea here is to make brushing feel like a treat, not a chore. And for first-time brushers, the brand recommends letting your dog taste the toothpaste from your finger before progressing to actual brushing. That simple step helps make the experience positive and builds trust. One of the best parts about this version is the size. The 6.2 ounces tube offers more than double the value of the standard 2.5 ounces tube. If you've got more than one dog, or you're brushing daily like most vets recommend, you'll appreciate the bigger size, and the fact that you don't have to reorder as often. Once your dog is comfortable, you can begin rubbing along the gum line, eventually introducing a toothbrush or finger brush. The goal is to make brushing a habit, one that both you and your dog can actually enjoy. If you're looking to upgrade your dog's dental care routine, this toothpaste is a solid, affordable, and effective choice. And as always, consult your vet if you have any concerns about your dog's oral health. That's it for today's episode of Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more unbiased product breakdowns, and let us know in the comments what pet products you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching, and here's to fresher breath and happier dogs.